I have a new breathing practice for you to try. I'm sure it's not new, but it's new to me, and it's called Cyclic Sighing. All the props you need are you and your breath. So come to a comfortable seat. Maybe you even feel your feet rooted, get down onto the ground, and then sit up as tall as you're able, just to invite the best breathing you can. What we're going to do is inhale in two parts. We'll inhale a little bit, pause, and then inhale until you can inhale no more. And then you will slowly sigh or let that breath go for as long as possible. All right, so let's try it together. Breathe in a little. Breathe in the rest of the way. And now sigh the breath out. Do that a few times. We can practice it one more time together. It's hard to do while talking too. Luckily, you don't have to talk when you do this. You'll take a bit of an inhale. Inhale the rest of the way. And let the breath go. All right, give that a try. And again, do it a few times. Maybe 5, 6 times if you can, and see if you by chance feel just a little bit calmer.